Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
Open a new Google Sheet and title it Monthly Finance Tracker right away. Create 5 columns labeled Date, Description, Category, Amount, and Type across row 1. Set the Date column format to Date and the Amount column format to currency like dollar. Use positive numbers for income and negative numbers for expenses to simplify totals. Enter a few sample rows for the current month to test sorting. Freeze the header row so your labels remain visible while you scroll. Create a separate sheet named Categories and list category items on the left column. Use data validation on the category column to point at that list and create a drop-down for consistency. Add a type drop-down with income and expense to separate flows clearly. Apply conditional formatting to the amount column to color expenses above a threshold like 00. Use custom formulas to format negative numbers red and positive numbers green for quick visual scanning. On a dashboard sheet, calculate totals using SUMIFs for each category and month for clarity. Include monthly income and expense totals and compute a savings rate as income minus expense divided by income. Show an example savings goal of 5,000 and display progress as a percent of that goal. Create a pivot table to summarize amounts by category and month for drilling down. Finally, insert pie and column charts to visualize category breakdowns and monthly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.